Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are doing great and fine shine. You are watching Tutor Hafiz Kashif YouTube channel. This is Islamic YouTube channel producing Quranic content. So if you are new on this channel, so please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khairan. In this video, we are gonna learn Haroof Muqatiaat. What is Haroof Muqatiaat? How to read them correctly? Which Tajweed rules is applying here? What is Madde Kabir, like big mud? How long we prolong or stretch them? Like how many counts we prolong or stretch them? What is standing fatha? And a little bit about idgham. So without any further delay, let's begin. Haroof Muqatiaat. Haroof Muqatiaat are disjoint or mysterious letters found at the beginning of 29 surahs in the Quran. Their exact meaning is known only to Allah. Scholars have different interpretation. No other Arabic text begin with such letter combination. Purpose of these haroof: emphasize the Quran's miraculous nature. You can see here every letter has Madde Kabir, like big mud. So we must stretch them, we must prolong them into 5 to 6 counts, 5 to 6 seconds. We prolong them, we stretch them, okay? This is Madde Kabir, big mud, also known as Madde Lazim. Between these letters, rule of Tajweed, idgham will occur here, so we will learn inshallah. So say أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم ألف لام ميم صاد
ألف لام ميم صاد.
Well done, mashallah. ألف لام را
ألف لام را
ألف لام ميم را
ألف لام ميم را
كاف ها يا عين صاد
كاف ها يا عين صاد
طه This is standing fatha, okay? So we prolong into 1 count and 1 alif. This is standing fatha, okay?
Okay.
We will learn in next video. Ta Sin Mim.
Ta Sin Mim.
On this sentence, idgham rule occurs. So in the last of scene voice, so there is not noon, okay? After that meme occurs, so we connect them. Seen, not seen, seem meme, okay?
Okay.
So say ta sin meme.
Ta Sin Mim.
Good. Ta sin Yasin Sad Hamim Hamim
Hamim
سين قاف
عين سين قاف
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 well done heavy نون
نون
صدق الله العظيم
صدق الله العظيم